Alright, welcome back to my channel, my friends. Thank you so very much for checking out my channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as I continue to bring you weekly content. Today I'm very excited to bring you Transformers Greenlight from the Wave 1 of Siege. And as always, we'll take a quick look at that packaging. Just do me a huge favor and just watch this video throughout the whole way through, as that will really help my channel grow. And of course, here's the packaging itself, typical Siege packaging. I really love the artwork picture here that's done. There's Greenlight and Dazzle Strike, and of course Transformers all right there. Typical Siege packaging for a deluxe character, very nicely done all the way around, everything she can do. Of course she has effects parts, but I damn lost them. But that happens, I'll find it eventually. And that's basically it for the packaging. And here is Greenlight in her robot mode. Very nicely done by Hasbro. The head, chest, and here's her legs. And here's the back of her. And she can stand really well, too. Now, articulation-wise, head is on a ball joint, can do a full 360. And, of course, moves up and down pretty well, too. So, and arms can do a full 360. And bend at the elbow there. Of course, keep the arms out. Her legs can do the splits. Go back and forth. And of course, bend at the knee. So she's pretty posable. See, I can sit her on the ledge here of my table. Oh, that's pretty cool. And of course, we will get to her accessories. See if she stands properly. Oh. It does come with quite a bit of accessories. Here is Dazzle Strike in his dog mode. I think it's supposed to be he or her. I think it's supposed to be male. And of course, he got the sword. You can't connect the sword to be his tail. It can go up or down. And of course, he transforms like so. Really cool, and it will fit right in Dazzle Strike there. And of course, he comes with a Prime Wars armor because it's meant to go on to Elite 1. And that will also fit into her fist. Yeah, you get the picture. So alright, we will go ahead and get her into her car mode. But really quick, I've got to get the comparisons out of the way. And here she is with the rest of the fembots. See, they hold up very nicely well together. Only reason why Nova Storm looks like she's in a lot of places is because, yeah, she has standing issues, so all these can stand up pretty well. So you got a Leader 1 back there, Nova Star, Greenlight, Moon Racer, and Lancer. They all form the Super Elita 1 combiner. But enough about the comparisons. Let's go ahead and get her into her arm mode, which is really simple to do. Come down here, bring her head back, collapse that. Bring this in, pull this out, and just bring the arms up into the and just make sure that those are connected. And of course, just plug the Prime Wars armor on her. And there you have an arm right there for Super Elita 1, or whatever you want to call her. It's very cool. I really do like that. Now we'll get into her leg mode, which is really simple to do. Just bring these all the way back. And of course, come over here, pop this bad boy out. And voila! You have a leg mode, which I was using her for a leg. So, really simple to do, not hard at all. Alright, now, for the last part, get her back into her car mode. Just connect those. Get that into place. Leave the arms the way how they are. And twist that, yeah, twist that around, like so. And here she is in her car mode. No, actually, my mistake. Bring the arms down here. Again, very coolly done, very nicely done by Hasbro all the way around. And of course, she just has visible leg and thigh syndrome. That's okay. And of course, it does roll, as rolling things do. And for comparison, and here she is with the rest of her Dulex buddies. So, of course, you got Lancer, Nova Storm, Greenlight, and Moon Racer. Now, for those of you that seen the G1 episode where these all 5 ladies debuted in, Generation 1, yeah, the Search for Alpha Tron, Moon Racer, and Alita 1, Moon Racer, Nova Star, and Alita 1 were the 3 that actually served a purpose. Greenlight and, Greenlight and Lancer, I keep getting my names mixed up. Greenlight and Lancer were just basically backdrop characters that didn't really do anything. From what I remember from the episode, it's been forever since I've seen that episode. And again, that pretty much concludes this recording for today. Definitely check out BigBadToyStore.com for the availability. And please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. I do contests, all that good stuff. And just make sure if you want to be a contest winner, just like my videos, comment on my videos. I will pick a winner at the end of May and all that good stuff. I'm going to go live at the end of May. So definitely be on the watch out for that. And yeah, thank you for watching my video and have a nice day.